everybody, my name is Kelly.
And I'm Margot. We're here at My Favorite Quilt Store, and we just got this sample in from Moda that's a beautiful quilt called Lighthearted by Camille Roskelley.
Yes, so I wanted to point out some fun things.
Okay.
So I was looking at this background fabric, and it's kind of hard to see, definitely like on pictures, but if you're looking at it close up, there's little white hearts, it's tone on tone, and then same with like the little blueprints and everything. So the Lighthearted, they have all these light hearts that are hidden within, which are just so cute.
They are so cute, and this is kind of Valentine's-y. It could be put out at Valentine's Day because it's got the red and the pink in it, so it'd be really cute to put on your bed.
This would be
or
so
something
cute. I have a blue and green theme room, so this would just blend it all together for Valentine's.
It definitely would. So one of the things when we do some close-up shots of this, the quilting on this is a Baptist fan with a heart on it that is just so absolutely cute.
Such a good idea.
So we'll have some cute. We'll have you some close-up photos of this so that you can see the quilting and the piecing and everything. So it stars. It looks like it's a kind of a confident beginner quilt because it's a star within a star. So she's really known for putting that in here. I love this star that has the heart in it over here. So each one has a little bit different of motif in it.
Did you see this heart too?
Yes. Yep.
Those are so cute.
Those are very cute.
So you're definitely practicing a lot of different block styles here. So it's really great to just
like a skill builder.
Yeah,
to help
build up your skills
Yep.
on different block designs that you could do for another quilt that you might want to design yourself. That's what's so great about these kits is you can get so many different ideas and fun parts to practice your skills itself.
That's right, and use them again and making something different.
Oh yeah.
So let's see what's inside this quilt real fast. We didn't show the backing of this quilt, but it is really cute. It's one of the same prints. It's got like a little flower on it, and it's a very cute print on the background.
And we'll definitely zoom in and show that up to you guys.
So, sorry, this quilt is 84 by 84. So it is a pretty big size quilt. It's big as a full-size quilt, or a large throw. And it comes in this beautiful box. And inside you get your thank you note that you always get. And great colored pattern that you can use again and again. And then all the fabrics you're going to need. There's this red and white and teal colors with florals and prints that you're going to need to complete this quilt top. So everything you need to complete the quilt top and the binding, along with the pattern, is in this kit.
Yep, and the binding is the same. That's that red here in the center. So it really just brings everything together and it draws your eye right back to that center there, which I think is a great feature.
It does. So I think that is a really nice outside border so that it will really, bring it all together too.
Yeah, and I will hold it up too just so you can kind of see the sashing that we've got going on in between. It again brings everything together so nicely.
Yeah, it makes it more like a sampler quilt for the look of it.
I love it.
So anyway, if you have any questions, be sure to give us a call here at My Favorite Quilt Store. We hope that you have gained some information about this quilt kit, and happy sewing.